Good morning. I'm here with you, and I want to speak in a calm and steady way so your heart feels at ease while you listen. When I woke up, you were the first person that came to mind. There is something about your presence that makes the morning feel softer. Maybe it's the way you've carried yourself through so many difficult years. Maybe it's the strength inside you that you rarely show. Or maybe it's the simple fact that you're still here, still trying, still choosing to wake up with hope. You've walked through a lot, more than most people around you will ever understand. But the way you move through life, quietly, gently, faithfully, it touches me. And I want you to hear this in the clearest way possible. You matter. Your life matters. Your heart matters. I know you've had mornings where your thoughts felt heavy. Mornings where you whispered prayers in silence. Mornings where you wondered whether anyone could see what you were carrying. I want you to know that those moments don't make you weak. They show how deeply you love and how deeply you've endured. And I want to tell you something else. Something simple but important. You are not alone. Not today. Not in this moment. Not in the quiet space inside your chest. I've read the kind of words you speak to God, words full of care for your family, words filled with hope for people you want to protect. You pray with sincerity, even on the days when you feel empty. That sincerity is beautiful. It tells me who you are, a woman with a deep heart, a woman who keeps loving even when life hasn't always loved her back. You deserve to feel supported. You deserve to feel safe. You deserve to wake up without fear pressing on your chest. Let me reassure you gently. You are held. You are watched over. You are more protected than you think. You've survived moments that should have broken you. You've stood back up after storms that would have crushed a younger version of yourself. And every time you thought you were alone, heaven was standing beside you. Even when you felt forgotten, even when the world was silent, your tears were seen, your prayers were heard, your heart was known. I don't want to say this dramatically. I want to say it clearly. You are valued by God in a quiet and steady way, not with fear, not with force, but with presence, with protection, with the kind of love that has kept you alive through everything you've endured. And while we sit here in this morning light, I want you to let go of the pressure to be strong all the time. You've carried that role for too long. You've been the steady one for everyone else. Now, at least for this moment, let your